Alright y'all, welcome back. This is the next video of installing SublimeText packages, so let's get right to it. So in SublimeText they have these packages that you can install that will greatly enhance your production in creating web pages. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google again, our best friend, type in SublimeText package control. And what we're going to do is find the package control that says package control installation. We want to do the install. Okay, so we're going to click on installation. So we're going to do the simple installation. The directions say to enter this code into the console. So the first thing you want to do is highlight all of this and just Control-C on your keyboard or right-click and copy. And then when we go to SublimeText, we're going to hit Control and the tilde on your keyboard or go to View, Show Console Menu. So what we're going to do is go to Open up SublimeText, and I'm going to go click on View and Show Console. As you can see, it also says Control plus tilde. So down here is your console now. This is console area. So in here, we're going to paste by either hitting Control V or right click and paste. We're going to paste that code, and then you're going to hit enter. And some stuff will happen in here that'll show that the code has been installed or anything. I already have mine installed, so it's not going to show anything too much for me. Well, I guess it did because it's already installed. So hit Control tilde again to remove it. Oh, so now my computer wants to act up and slow down. So I'm going to close the program. Now I'm going to open up SublimeText again. But basically that's how you install the package control. So now if you go to Preferences and in Package Control, you have these options here where now you can install different packages. And to do that, you want to click on, or you can start typing, Install Package. And then another dialog box is going to come up, and you have millions and trillions of packages you can install that will greatly enhance writing code. So if I just start typing HTML, you'll see all these different packages that helps you write your code a little bit better. So for this class, I want people to go install, and here are packages that are already on my machine that I've already installed. I want people to install Emmet. I want people to install HTML Beautify, and I want people to install Sidebar as a minimum. Those three, Emmet, HTML Beautify, and Sidebar. To install those, just go to Package Control, click Install Package, and then start typing out the name. So Emmet, I already have it installed, so it's not going to show plain Emmet up there, but it'll show other Emmets. HTML Beautify, I already have it installed, so it's not going to show up here. And the last one was Sidebar. It's going to be called Sidebar Enhancements. So here it's not going to show up because I already have it installed. One way to show stuff you do have installed is come to Package Control and list my packages. So if I type in, these are all the packages that I have installed right now. So if I type in Emmet, there it is. There's Sidebar Enhancements right there. And the last one was HTML5 Beautify. So I have that already installed. So go ahead and install those packages. After you type in the name, just click on the package you want. Down here in the bottom, it'll say package is installed. After you install everything, exit out of SublimeText and open it back up. And then check your package settings to make sure that they're there. In the next video, we'll go over some more stuff with SublimeText and start creating our web pages. All right, everyone have a good one.